How are you, Himanshi?
Yeah, I'm fine. What about you?
I'm great. I think I've checked your channel. Actually, I've checked your Instagram ID. Yeah,
Okay.
some
So,
videos. How
how's
long
your
have you been? Sorry?
how's your life treating you?
It's treating well.
Okay. And how was your English journey going? How is your English journey going? Are you enjoying or not?
Actually, I have a lot of stuff in my mind. There are so many things pending, actually, I want to do, but lack
Uh,
of time, I'm just unable to action upon it. That's
Okay.
it. Actually,
Okay.
where are you from? Where are you from?
Yeah, I'm from Uttar Pradesh in Badaयूं district.
Oh, I'm also from UP.
Okay, so we don't know each other. So can you tell me about yourself?
Sure, sure. You know my name very well. And I'm from basically Agra, but right now I'm living in Delhi. And
Oh,
recently I've done my Bachelor of Commerce, BCom.
okay.
Right now I'm doing a job as a cashier in KFC.
Oh, okay. What's going on?
Yes. What happened?
It's nice. Now it's fine?
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay.
You are audible. How about you?
Yeah, I'm early 20s. Actually, I'm in my early 20s.
Okay.
Okay, how long have you learning English?
It's been 1 year plus. What about
Yeah,
you? You didn't introduce yourself.
okay. Sorry for actually I'm in my name is Himansi and people love to call me Mansi and I'm
Oh.
from yes, I'm from Uttar Pradesh in Badaयूं district. And if I talk about my academic tradition, I'm pursuing my graduation. Marriage, so I got stuck my study. My study was pending, so I was not pursuing my study. But now I'm pursuing my studies.
So, are you married?
Yes.
You really don't look like a married one, really.
So,
I thought you are just a student.
no, I'm married.
Okay. How did you start and what did you think before starting?
Actually, I started. My purpose is that I want to achieve proficiency in this language. Also, the people didn't understand English, and if I really love teaching, so that's why this is my purpose that I'm running a YouTube channel.
Okay, you want to improve your fluency in English. That's
Yes.
why. So, are you a housewife right now, or you are doing something else with your study?
No, I'm pursuing study, and apart from this, I deliver tuition classes.
Mhm. Like, okay. So, which class do you teach? Maybe you are teaching English, right?
Yes, English. Yeah, I'm English, but fifth or fourth, fifth, just
Okay, like till fourth and fifth, you are teaching all subjects, but after fifth, you are teaching particular English.
yes. Actually, I want to become my English teacher.
Nice, great. It sounds interesting. English teacher. I like it's really nice when you are becoming a language teacher because there are so many English teacher, they are teaching grammar, but
Yes,
speaking or the language is different. It is not a subject, it is a language.
you're right.
So
Hmm.
there are some different ways to learn it. Nice,
Okay.
great.
So, what is your goal? What you want to become?
My goals are so big. Actually, I want to do business in my
Okay.
future. But right
Uh,
now, I'm doing a job.
nice.
I like to
Actually,
learn.
yeah.
Yes,
Go
you
ahead.
continue. I said that I like to learn about business and, just learn something new about finance and all, as I'm from commerce background. So I like to just start my own business. And of course, I would be
Hmm.
doing it in the future.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so my question is that if you started learning English, so like every person face lots of difficulties, but what's the circumstances did you face to learn this language? Like
Okay.
many people have different mindset that I'm words not come in my mind, and while speaking I stutter, and I don't want to speak English. I feel nervous, and I don't know what to speak, what not to speak. So what is your like circumstances that you are facing a lot, and you don't have any idea how to become fluent in English?
Right. Like people just feel blank in their mind, they don't know what to say.
Yeah.
When I started, actually, I was also not able to speak, but I was so passionate about it, about this language. I was so passionate, and literally, what I was doing is translation. Initially, I was doing completely translation, like how to say come here, how to say go there in English and Hindi, as Hindi is our mother tongue. So I was just translating everything. But gradually, I was observing my teachers, my classmates, they were speaking, and one day I just gathered that courage and just spoke some words in English, and continuously I was speaking, and I came across that yes, I can actually speak. If I try, I can continuously speak. So yes, I just encourage myself again and again to speak more and more. And I never ever just feel that what someone is thinking about me, if they are judging me, or whether I'm fumbling, or whether I'm speaking wrong or right. My focus was only on to speak in English. So that's what I did. Just continuously I was speaking. That's it. And yes, the writing, when I started initially, writing helped me a lot. Actually, I was not able to speak each and every word, but when
Yes.
I started writing, I could explain everything in writing. When we write, we get the space to explain our
Yes,
ideas.
yes, you are right.
So I just started imagining all the different scenarios. Even I was imagining, like, if I'm giving presentation somewhere, what would be I speaking. I was just
Mm.
imagining, and that's how I turned my imagination into reality. So it just happened.